Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my garage. It's Sunday and I gotta get some content out for Tuesday. Been kind of lazy these past few days, so I got a big box of parts over here for the flathead Raptor. It should be a pretty fun little build when it's done. But before I take the bike apart or take the engine off and start to disassemble it, to put these new parts in, I've got to do a top speed run. So I haven't done it yet. So I think that's what I'm going to do today. It's kind of cold outside, so I don't really want to do it, but that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and look at some of these parts, and then we'll get right into the top speed run. I just made another video on how to make your own degree wheel. If you want to go back and watch that. Alright, so I collected a couple of these parts of people on Facebook. So I got this Tillotson carb with the intake adapter for the Raptor. ARC actually messed up and sent me this by accident instead of a head gasket. So I mean, might as well use it, right? And then this ARC rod came out of one of these other flatheads I bought, and it is just stock. It's actually 5 thousandths shorter than stock. I mean, it's pretty nasty and crusty. I cleaned it up with a Scotch-Brite. Run a Scotch-Brite through the wrist pin area. Run a Scotch-Brite through here. There was a couple little burrs inside these oiling holes. Look like it probably come from the factory. So I run a little file through there, clean that up. Anyway, that's I've had that stuff. This is, see, we got 36-pound valve springs. This is what came in this last week or so. We got a fuel line. We got a brand new hot coil from Briggs & Stratton. Got some billet lifters. Got a brand new wrist pin from Briggs & Stratton. Got some keyways. We got a stock keyway and some offset keyways. And I got some copper exhaust manifold gaskets. Some new rod bolts for the ARC rod. We got some stickers. Got that bump stick. We'll get to that in a minute. Look at these tools out here. These are tools I had in the house. I had to bring back to the garage. Put them up in a minute. Let's see, I got two different thickness copper head gaskets. New rod bearings. Oil seal for this beautiful piece of artwork here from ARC. Alright, what else we got in here? Some more tickets. Let's see, this is a head bolt kit for this head. Side cover bolts, the oil drain plug for the side cover. There's the oil fill caps, adjustable billet flywheel. Man, that is pretty. This thing ought to be a ripper. This is crankshaft shams. It should be here. You got different thicknesses to set your end play on your crank. Instructions. And that old thumbstick. Let's see what kind of thumbstick we got in here. It's not crazy. It's not a crazy one. But it's not mild either. It's a billet or tool steel, adjustable from dyno cams. Some more stickers. Here's a cam card. Grind number 110 drag. So our lift. Let's see, our lift. 360. 359. Duration at 50. 257. 262. Calls for 32, 34 degrees. Timing. Calls for 30, 32 pound springs. I got 36 pounds. Should be okay. This ought to wake it up. Between this cam, that head, I mean, of course, I'm going to shave the eyebrows down. It should wake it up. These valve springs, so let it carry on out in the RPM range. It should be a ripper. Should be a ripper. Probably gonna need a better clutch. But anyways, that's what's coming up. So it's enough of my talking. Let's just go ahead and jump on this mini bike. It's cold outside, so I don't even know if it's gonna run right. Being run on methanol, but we're gonna try to get top speed run in. So I'll see you then. See if this thing's gonna go to 0. not that cold compared to what other people are used to. But we in Alabama, it's cold for Alabama. Oh, nothing like the smell of methanol in the morning. Oh, that was pretty fun. I almost lost it several times. I might put off-road tires back on it for the track. I know the 50 mile an hour is pretty accurate because me and Connor raced the mini bike against the Honda Rancher four-wheeler the other day. Needless to say, he was not expecting to lose on the four-wheeler. It's pretty funny. I'm trying to get my phone out of here. Jeez. Top speed. I traveled a distance of 1.8 miles, 52 miles an hour. It's being crazy right now because I'm in this metal building. This is Alabama snow. This is as good as it gets. So we're gonna go try to get some shots. A little ride video in. He's got slick tires, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, got him. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.